For decades, Mumbai has been the heartbeat of India's economy. It is a city where billionaires and daily wage workers share the same footpaths, where the stock markets dictate the nation's financial mood, and where industries have flourished like nowhere else in the country. Maharashtra, with Mumbai as its crown jewel, has long held the title of India's financial capital, an undisputed leader in commerce, investment, and industry. But as we enter 2025, murmurs have turned into serious concerns. There are signs that Maharashtra may be slipping from its dominant position, with states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Gujarat rapidly catching up. The question we are asking today is simple but significant. Is Maharashtra still the financial powerhouse of India, or is it slowly losing its grip? Hello, my name is Tejas and you're watching Lokmat Times. Before we move ahead with today's story, our usual request. Please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Dear viewers, the topic of today's video is a bit complex and you might feel a lot of jargon is being thrown at you throughout the video. Trust me, even I hate economics. But I want you to be patient and listen to it if you really care about Maharashtra and its growth. So let's begin. To understand if Maharashtra is losing its tag as the economic hub of India, we will take a look at some key economic indicators and compare them with other states. While Maharashtra still contributes the highest to India's GDP, several worrying trends indicate that its dominance is not as firm as it once was. The economy is slowing, industries are moving to other states, per capita income is not growing as fast, and debt levels are rising. So let's break it down one by one. The first indicator is economic growth. Maharashtra has always been one of the fastest growing state economies, but in recent years, the pace has slowed down. In 2021-22, the state reported an impressive growth rate of 9.1%. However, the following year, in 2022-23, growth rate slipped to 6.8%, falling below the national average of 7%. In 2023-24, the growth rate improved slightly to 7.6%, but it remained behind some of its southern counterparts. In a worrying trend, Maharashtra's economy is projected to grow at 7.3% in the financial year 2024-25, seeing another drop. Compare this to Karnataka, which reported a growth rate of 8.3%, or Telangana, which grew at 8.6%. Tamil Nadu too managed an 8.1% growth. The slowdown in Maharashtra's economy means that other states are catching up quickly. This isn't just about numbers on a sheet. A slower economy means fewer job opportunities, less investment, and an overall dip in economic confidence of the state. Now let's take a look at the next indicator, per capita income. One of the best ways to measure economic prosperity is to look at per capita income, which tells us how much money the average citizen earns in a given year. Maharashtra's per capita income has seen a steady rise, but once again, it is being outpaced by competing states. In 2021-22, the state's per capita income stood at Rs 2,15,233. By 2022-23, it had risen to Rs 2,42,247. And in 2023-24, it climbed to Rs 2,77,603. The per capita income for 2024-25 is estimated at Rs 3,09,340, a significant rise from the previous financial year. However, Maharashtra's per capita income trails behind Gujarat, which has 2,97,722, Tamil Nadu, which has 3,15,220, and Karnataka, which has 3,32,926. Maharashtra's high cost of living, especially in cities like Mumbai, offsets these income levels, meaning that even a slightly higher per capita income, the quality of life does not match what people in Bengaluru, Chennai, or Hyderabad experience. Now let's move on to the next indicator, fiscal health. Another red flag is Maharashtra's fiscal health. The state has historically been one of the best managed in terms of revenue and expenditure. But in recent years, its ranking has slipped. According to the Niti Aayog's Fiscal Health Index, Maharashtra fell from 4th position in 2022 to the 6th position in 2023. This might not sound alarming at first, but it indicates a growing mismatch between how much Maharashtra earns and how much it spends. A major concern is the declining expenditure on essential sectors like education and healthcare. Education spending, for example, has dropped from 14.8% of the total budget to 13.9% in 2025. Compare this with Tamil Nadu, which has aggressively invested in improving its schools and higher education infrastructure, or Karnataka, which has been pumping money into technology-driven education models. These states are ensuring that their workforce remains future-ready, something Maharashtra cannot afford to ignore. The next indicator, and perhaps the most important, rising debts. Maharashtra's debt levels have been rising steadily, and the numbers are getting worrisome. In 2021-22, the state's debt stood at Rs 5,76,868 crore. A year later, it increased to Rs 6,49,699 crore. By 2023-24, Maharashtra's debt had ballooned to Rs 7,11,278 crore. At present, Maharashtra's debt is estimated at Rs 9,32,242 crore. This makes Maharashtra the second most indebted state in India after Tamil Nadu. While borrowing money for development projects is not necessarily a bad thing, excessive debt can put pressure on the state's finances and limit its ability to invest in infrastructure, healthcare, and other welfare programs. This is something that needs urgent attention. The next and final indicator, foreign direct investment, FDI. Maharashtra has historically been the top recipient of foreign direct investment in India. While the state continues to attract large investments, the numbers tell a story of decline. In 2021-22, Maharashtra received FDI inflows worth Rs 1,14,964 crore. This increased slightly to Rs 1,18,422 crore in 2022-23. But in 2023-24, Maharashtra saw a dip, with FDI inflows dropping to Rs 1,112 crore. However, as per State Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Maharashtra saw a record FDI inflow of Rs 1,39,434 crore in 9 months of financial year 2025. Though the numbers make Maharashtra a topper in FDI inflow, the actual commencement of the project after the investment remains a major concern. 158 projects worth Rs 26,557 crore commenced in Maharashtra in 2024, with Odisha in first position with 26 projects worth Rs 42,610 crore, and Gujarat in second position with 125 projects worth Rs 30,997 crores. While Mumbai remains the financial hub of India, cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Chennai have been gaining favor among international investors, especially in sectors like technology, artificial intelligence, and fintech. The business-friendly policies of these states, coupled with lower operational costs, make them more attractive investment destinations. So if Maharashtra is slowing down, who is rising? The competition is coming primarily from 4 states: Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Gujarat. Bengaluru has emerged as India's Silicon Valley, offering the highest salaries for tech professionals, attracting more startups, and becoming the global headquarters for several multinational companies. Hyderabad is quickly following, becoming a leader in pharmaceuticals, AI, and IT services. Chennai is solidifying its position as an automobile and industrial hub, while Gujarat's ambitious projects like Gift City are making it a rising star in finance and trade. Mumbai, on the other hand, has struggled with high costs, overburdened infrastructure, and complex bureaucratic processes which have made it less attractive for new age industries. This is something that policymakers in Maharashtra must address before the state loses its first mover advantage completely. Despite these challenges, Maharashtra is far from losing its financial capital tag just yet. The state government is making aggressive efforts to bring in new investments. Recently, Maharashtra announced a Rs 40 lakh crore industrial policy aimed at generating 50 lakh jobs in the next 5 years. JSW Group has committed Rs 3 trillion to boost electric vehicle manufacturing, battery production, steel, and green energy sectors. Mumbai is also undergoing a transformation. The Coastal Road project, metro expansions, and the upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport are expected to ease congestion and improve infrastructure. However, for Maharashtra to retain its dominance, it needs more than just big-ticket projects. The focus must be on improving ease of doing business, reducing bureaucratic red tape and making it easier for industries to set up shop. Maharashtra is still the largest economy among Indian states, contributing 13.3% to the country's GDP. But this number is shrinking, and competitors are gaining ground quickly. If the state does not take decisive action, it could face a future where Mumbai remains a historic financial hub while the real economic action moves elsewhere. The next 5 years will be crucial. Will Maharashtra rise to the challenge, or will it allow other states to claim its financial crown? The answer will shape the economic future of India.